Good afternoon. Wanted to do a quick little video on my dump runner. It's a 2002 Dodge Dakota 3.9 liter V6 four-wheel drive, manual transmission. Bought it probably about 3 weeks ago now. When I bought it, it had, from my understanding, a problem with the central timer module. Dome lights didn't work and had that incessant bong, 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 bong. No matter what you do, you take the key out, as long as the door's open, it just goes bong, 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 bong. So I'll probably be ordering a new CTM to take care of the problem, but until it arrives, I want to do a quick little video on how to stop that horrible bong, 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 bong. So the central timing module, at least on my Dodge Dakota, is driver's side, American, of course. In the footwell, take off the cover and you'll find the module right here. And it's got 3 removable plugs. Of course, I already unscrewed it. There's just 3 screws that hold it in, here, here, and here. Unclip these 3 plugs and take it out. And once we get it out, take the covers off and I'll show you what to do from there. All right, so I got the module out. See that little Chrysler emblem shape right there with the 5 holes? That is where the speaker is for the bong, 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 bong. If I sound a little angry, I'm a little batty because I got tired of listening to that all morning while I had the door open. And that is the part number of the module I have for reference. I found 1 or 2 with the last 2 Alpha Foxtrots. I have a feeling it's been superseded a few times, but oh well. Anyways, I'm going to get the covers off and let you take a look inside. Alrighty. Got mine open. It just has these little tabs. I just took a flat blade screwdriver and pried in between the 2 halves, and it just kind of opens up like a clamshell. Inside of the unit, see this nice round circle thing? That is the stupid speaker that goes bong, 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 bong. If you want to be delicate with it and you want to keep using it, if everything else still works, you can unsolder here and here and separate the speaker from the circuit board. What I did, since I'm getting a replacement unit, is I took this handy little pick, nice and tiny scraper, pick, O-ring puller, whatever you want to call it. I took it, stuck it in the center here, and twisted around and around and around and around until it quit bonging. I already put it back together in the truck. The bonging stopped, but I still have all the functions like wipers and headlights and all that good stuff. So I'm going to put it back together, back in the truck, and I'll let you see that everything still works. And you can decide for yourself if this is something you want to try as well. Like I said, I did this until I get a new module. It was just driving me insane listening to that bong, 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 bong. Anyways, I'm going to get it back together, back in the truck. Be right back. Alrighty, module is back in the truck, plugged in. No bong. I love it. Put the keys in the ignition. Everything's still on. Start up the truck. Truck still runs. Tachometer still doesn't work. And I knew that already because I need a new instrument panel. I already tested with the spare one from an automatic that I had, and it works. So I know it's not a module related problem. But let's see here. Wipers work. Headlights work. Turn signals work. I can do all that and keys out and no buzzer, no bong, 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 bong. Anyways, hopefully this might save somebody's sanity, because I think I already lost mine having to listen to that for so long. Oh well. I think I'll go relax now and think of something more pleasant than that stupid bonging sound. Hope this helps you. Thanks.